Duke Street, East Queen Street, and Duke Street corner. That's me there. Cane in a basket. King Nyah we go sell them out. That time movement. We have to done have them cane here. We have to done the basket of cane here before night come down. It is now about 5:30. Night I come down about 6:30. So me have an hour to sell about 2 dozen bag of cane. We could see how good we can do it. Practice, we have practice and I learn, you know. We learn so we can earn. Oh, 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 when I get my money up. Money up. Oh, 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 when I get my money up. You're gonna get the man at taxi in the arcade already. I don't even know if it's up to it. When you get me money right, good one, I'm not coming to you. Sugar cane is 100 bags. Dollar bag for me. Me not go bother with roll a back road, cause you know the bed bugs are bad. You know them are days, yeah. Me not go buy a skyscraper, round 10,000 acres. Toilet paper. So all women have no behavior, me still can shop like razor. Have the girl them a call me them Lord and Savior. Oh, 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 oh,
Me a big $20 me go buy a kid. Me go buy a bucket.
Money up. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 when I get my money up. So we sell 2 bags of cane. Money up. 100 and my partner silver, 2 in a perennial charge. A long time in the community. See the part where sugar cane on 100. The girl them a pack up and enough cane to buy. $1 bag for the cane in the sweet. When you approach the cane is only 100 for the sweet baby. Cane we have a sell $1 bag in the oh, 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 sugar cane is 100 a bag for the sweet sugar cane. Money up. But they are pack up there now. When the market locks up early in the arcade. Oh, when I get my money. To their money. I could have credit union. Could have partner draw. Anytime that the money they lost from foreign. I could have my savings loan approved from the bank. And I get my money. Well, sir, man. Sure. I'm gonna accept this, sir. Oh, when I get my money. Alright, so we do 3 this one now. Alright, top of King Street, King Road. We're gonna 3 that around 2 dozen cane and we're out. Hallelujah. $1 off to sell the rest. Save the light good we want to make sure. We're passing around the offering plate, back on the cane them soft and sweet. The offering plate is passing around. Back on the cane them soft and sweet. Amen. Praise the Lord. We pass through justice.